Carbohydrates. Introduction.
Which one of the following foods is rich in complex carbohydrates?
Choose one of the following options.
1. Milk. 2. Refined sugar. 3. Whole grains. Correct. Whole grains are a food rich in complex carbohydrates.
The body uses fiber to do which of the following? Choose one of the following options. 1. To get rid of excess fat in the intestine. 2. To push food through the intestines. 3. Both of the above. Correct. Dietary fibers cannot be broken down by the body and do not provide the body with energy, but dietary fiber helps the body function properly and should be included in your diet. Dietary fibers are broken down by the body into glucose for energy. Select true or false. Correct. Dietary fibers cannot be broken down by the body and do not provide the body with energy, but dietary fibers helps the body function properly and should be included in your diet. Which of the following foods have added unnatural sugar? Choose one of the following options. 1. Apple. 2. Cookie. 3. Milk. 4. Potato. Correct. Foods with added sugar are generally not as healthy as other carbohydrates. Which of the following complex carbohydrates is healthier? Choose one of the following options. 1. Brown rice. 2. White rice. 3. White wheat. Correct. Non-refined rice, also known as brown rice, is healthier. So is whole wheat. Which one of the following carbs is digested the fastest by the body? Choose one of the following options. 1. Refined sugars like those found in cookies or candy. 2. Brown rice. 3. White rice.
Correct. Refined sugars such as the ones in candies and cookies are digested and absorbed the fastest by the body.
Which of the following is true about carbs in a healthy diet? Choose one of the following options. 1. Avoid eating refined or added sugars. 2. Eat complex carbs rich in fiber and whole grains. 3. Eat carbs in moderation. 4. All of the above. Correct.
Thank you for using Explain.